Welcome back to Social Sciences class, all my dear young minds. In this class, we are going to come across the results in this video or consequences of World War II. A World War got started on 1st September 1939. This got continued up to 17th August 1945. A span of almost 6 years, 1 month short of 6 years. By surrender of Japan to Allied powers on 17th August 1945, World War II came to an end. It got initiated with the Hitler's attack or campaign against Polish corridor on 1st September 1939. So, almost 1 month short of 6 months it went on. At the initial stages, 1 minute Nana. At the initial stages, Axis powers led by Germany. Already explained. Once again, I am explaining. Axis powers led by Germany are Italy, Japan, Spain. Very 4 countries. Apart from that, many other colonies and other countries are also there. Major powers. And coming to the Allied powers, led by England, same Allied powers which are in the World War I other than Italy, Japan. Got it? England, France, USSR. At the time Russia or USSR. And the United States of America. Got it? And many other countries also. Because it's a World War, major powers I am mentioning about. And pointing also will be asked any 1 or 2 countries of Axis powers or Central powers or Allied powers in pointing, map pointing in final exam. So, it is any of these 4 we can point, right? So, now we will come across what are the consequences. In war went well, okay. Finally, it ended with the success of Allied powers again, like World War I. But at the initial stage, like World War I at the initial stages, Germany and its allies means friends who made alliance with Germany, Italy, Japan, they were doing very well. And up to 1945, what we can call these forces up to 1943, and Germany even occupied France also by 1940. So it started a campaign against Russia, but at Stalingrad, which is now called as Volgograd in Russia. What is the place? Stalingrad. It is now called as Volgograd. Volgograd in Russia. Up to 1943, unchallengedly, Germany was marching ahead. And Eastern European countries were under the influence of communism. But Russia, communist countries they made a sketch, a trap. They left Germany to go ahead up to Russia. Like First World War, it went up to German forces, military forces went up to Stalingrad in Russia. But by the time they reached 1943 Stalingrad, they started facing a setback. Why? Because the extreme climatic conditions of Russia were unexperienced by these armed forces of Germany. And also the Eastern European countries like Poland, Bulgaria, Romania, or Hungary, these countries which let the German forces freely to move ahead into the trap, like Padma Yuha in Mahabharata, they started countering from the back the German forces, and from the front Russian troops are fighting. And these German forces could not bear this extreme climatic condition. They started falling ill and some of them died. So at this juncture, there is no other way to German army to save its skin. That's why it started moving back. And once it started taking back, the US communist forces and USSR started making it run into its own territory. By 1945, 30th April, the military troops of Allied powers, mostly Russian troops, entered into Berlin city, captured Berlin city, capital of Germany. Berlin is capital of Germany. And knowing this, it is popularly believed Hitler, who is hiding in a bunker, had committed suicide on 30th April, along with his close associates, newly married wife also. So before that, only on 2nd April, his friend, another dictator, Benito Mussolini, was killed by his own people. They hanged him upside down. They hanged him upside down, battered him very bad. People of Italy only. And they opened fire and killed him. Benito Mussolini, another dictator. So this is what happens to the dictators, what I have to understand. Why people of Italy rose against Hitler, Benito Mussolini, they worshipped him as a hero now? Yeah, there is a reason. By the time these people killed him, these Allied powers made their entry into Italian states. Italians understood, if we support this fellow, we all have to be slaves under the control of Allied powers, or our Italy will be broken down into pieces. Instead of that, let's kill him. They will feel happy, Allied powers, and they will leave us, and they will go away. We can live as Italians happily after that. That was the belief, and they hanged him, and they themselves killed. So that Allied powers also felt happy and left Italy and moved away. So that's what. On April 2nd, 1945. In this way, one after other countries started falling prey to the Allied powers, and finally there was an atomic attack upon Japan. There was an atomic attack upon Japan on 6th August 1945 by United States of America. So why actually United States of America did not show any interest in joining the World War II. It was busy in industrial production because it knows already in World War I it got seen. After war, surely these fellows will be requiring our support. So that's why it was busy in carrying on its agriculture production and industrial production and so on. But once Germany is going on a what we can call, when it was on a song, defeating this Allied powers, almost it was targeting England. So after if Germany is successful in countering England, automatically it will be looking towards United States of America, because only Atlantic Ocean is between England and this is England. This is England, and this is Europe, France and so on, right? English Channel divides France and England, and Atlantic Ocean divides England and North America. North America gets divided by Atlantic Ocean, right? So if it defeats England, it will be towards USA. So that's why USA felt that it's a time to go into war with, and even England approached USA for help. So then USA made an agreement which is called Atlantic Charter. Atlantic Charter by 1940. It made an agreement with England. The Atlantic Charter. According to that, America said that I will not fight the battle from my domain, means my land. I will fight the battle from your domain, on your behalf. So you have to give me some land in your country. So then, in 1941, England made a bill, land lease bill. It leased out certain land to America so that America can station its troops, military troops, naval equipment there, and from there it will carry the fight against Germany. But it is strengthening England also. Even though if Germany makes an attack, it will be England losing. America will not lose anything. No single place of America will be targeted by Germany. Was the anticipation of United States of America. That's how America entered into Second World War by making an agreement called Atlantic Charter. It happened, Atlantic Charter occurred between Atlantic Charter. It occurred between England and US. England and US. And according to this, England made a bill called Land Lease Bill. Land Lease Bill. And gave some land, and America brought its military troops and Navy, Air Force over there, and from there it launched the campaigns. So when America entered into the war field, America was warning when war was going on Japan. Japan did not yield to America's warnings to stop the war. So then America stopped supplying scrap iron to Japan, which is very important in shipbuilding industry of Japan. They used to export. America used to export the scrap iron. Scrap iron means after using the vehicles, we throw the vehicles. We sell out or we throw the vehicles. That is scrap. Okay, so that iron it used to supply in a huge quantity to Japan. But Japan, even though America put the economic restrictions, it did not stop it. It continued the war. And finally, America warned Japan that if you are not going to stop, I will carry a military action. America warned, but Japan immediately carried a military action. What did it do? It attacked a naval base of United States of America, which is existing at Hawaiian Islands. And the name of that naval base is Pearl Harbor. Pearl Harbor. This attack made by Japan on Pearl Harbor is made an English movie. Even whenever you get some time, any free time, you can observe or watch that Pearl Harbor movie, right? Pearl Harbor here. To the west of America, there are islands, Hawaiian Islands. Below Alaska, this is Alaska. Below Alaska, there are islands like this. They are called Hawaiian Islands. So, Hawaiian Islands. So, this in Hawaiian Islands, below Alaska, in America, North America, they are Hawaiian Islands. There existed Pearl Harbor, the naval base, one of the naval bases of United States of America. And now this got attacked by Japan. Japan, if you see, generally in the east, but if you see, the earth is not flat like our board. Earth is spherical now. It will be close to America, North America will be close to Japan. Japan comes here. When we fold this board, you think where it will come? Japan is there. If you fold the board, where it will come? Very close. Pacific Ocean divides here. Of course, Japan exists in Pacific Ocean. So the Pacific Ocean divides Asia and this America. Very close, the end of the northeastern tip of Asia and northwestern tip of America, northern tip of America, they are very close. A strait means a canal, water canal by name Bering Canal, something around 90 kilometers will be there. That will be dividing America and Asian tips. What it continents of America, North America and the Asian tips are divided by Bering Strait. Here, beside Alaska. 90 kilometers is the distance between the, Asia and so on. In Asia, Japan will be like this here. So Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. But this happened in 1941 December. So these losses America experienced, but still it continued the war. Jumped into the war in 1941 by getting the land from Britain in land lease bill, Atlantic Charter. And it continued the war. War is not ending. Japan, even though Germany surrendered, Italy surrendered, Spain surrendered, but Japan is not getting surrendered. So to bring to a early conclusion of this war, America attacked two important cities, industrial cities of Japan. One is Hiroshima on 6th August 1945, an atomic attack. First time atomic power was used in the world. First time atomic power was used. An atom bomb which weighed 1.5 kilotons was dropped upon an important city of industrial city of Japan called Hiroshima. 6th August. And this attack is called as how much kilotons? 1.5 kilotons. Atom bomb got dropped. 1.5 kilotons atom bomb got dropped upon Hiroshima, a city of Japan. First attack of world, atomic attack of the world happened. And this attack is named as Operation Little Boy. Operation Little Boy. Operation Little Boy. Operation Little Boy atomic attack, very first atomic attack made on in the world according to the modern history. is on Hiroshima, was on Hiroshima, a city, industrial city of Japan. And the capacity of the bomb is 1.5 kilotons. And next one was much more big, 2.1 kilotons. That is on Nagasaki. Nagasaki. And Nagasaki, it was 2.1 kilotons, and it is called as 2.1 kilotons. Atom bomb is dropped, and it is called as Operation Pac-Man. Operation Pac-Man. Operation Pac-Man. Second operation. That is second atomic attack made on another important industrial city of Japan. That is by 14th August. This attack. This is the 9th August. Nagasaki got attacked 9th August. After this, there was a huge loss of life in Japan, and even the consequences continued. Atomic poisonous, all these things, radiation and all this still continued upon decades together. And after this atomic attack, Japan lost its control because it's not having much more deadly weapons than atomic weapon what America had. So finally, by 14th of August, it shown white kerchief, and by 17th it got surrendered to Allied powers. With that, World War came to an end. Got it now? And after the defeat of Germany, Germany got divided into two parts. Eastern Germany is named as German Democratic Republic. Eastern Germany was named as GDR, German Democratic Republic. Okay, so German Democratic Republic. Western Germany is named as FRG or FROG, Federal Republic of Germany. FRG, Federal Republic of Germany. West Germany is named as Federal FRG. What is FRG? Federal Republic of Germany. As soon as Germany got divided, Eastern Germany went under influence of communist Russia. It picked communism as its ideology. Western Germany went under the influence of USA and adopted capitalism as its system of economic system. Got it? So socialist system was adopted by Eastern Germany under the influence of communist Russia. Whereas what we can call capitalism, economic policy of capitalism was adopted by West Germany under the influence of USA. Got it? And other Western European powers. So World War II and in Japan, what happened? Constitutional monarchy was brought. I will explain you now. Power is of just within few minutes. I'll be back.